Friends, today I am going to start poem number 3, Keeping Quiet. The poem has been written by Pablo Neruda. There are not so many difficult words. The poem is very easy. Now I am going to start. Yes, it is on page number 95. You just open your textbook, page number 95. Now we will count to 12. Poet is telling that now we will count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way we will count up to 12. Poet does not say about the figures of calendar or the figures of clock. But he is just telling to count up to 12. Because 12, the word 1 to 12, that is also very significant. Because months are also 12. And in clock also we can see 12 digits. So 12, the word is also very symbolical. But poet is telling that now we will count to 12. We have to count up to 12. And we will all keep still. During that time, we will be still. We will be silent. Again, I am telling you what the poet is telling. Poet is telling we have to count up to 12. During that time, we have to become silent. We have to not speak anything. We have to stop all our activities. Just silent. For once on the face of the earth, face means surface. On the surface of the earth, once means at least one time. Let us not speak in any language. Don't speak any language, because language is the greatest obstacle in the world. There are so many languages in the world. Germany, Japanese, American English, British English, all this, there are so many languages, and language is the greatest obstacle. And that's why poet is telling don't speak any language. Don't speak anything, just silent. Let us not speak in any language. Don't stop all the languages. Stop the talking in all languages. Yeah, in any languages. Don't speak any word. Let us stop for 1 second. At least stop for 1 second. Don't speak anything. And not move our arms so much. And even stop your all the activities of body. Don't move your arms. Arms means hand. Don't shake your hands. Stop your movements of body. Poet wants to say this thing. Your body should be also silent. Your mind should be also silent. And poet is telling it would be an exotic moment. This type of moment, when you stop all the activities, this type of moment is exotic moment. Exotic means unusual, uncommon, unique, extraordinary. This moment is extraordinary, unique, unusual moment. Why? Without rush, because this is the moment when we are without rush. Generally we are running after something, after money, after some other thing. But we have to stop also our running. And when we stop all these things, then the moment comes, rare moment comes. Without engines. Engines means machines. We have to also stop all our machines. We would all be together. Be together means united. We have to come together. in a sudden strangeness, in this moment of strangeness, yeah, we can say in the rare moment, in this exotic moment, fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. If all fishermen will stop the work in the cold sea, then there will be no harm to the whales. Means there will be no harm to the animals, poet wants to say. And the man gathering salt and that person who is collecting the salt would look at his hurt hands, and at least in this moment such person will get time to look in his hurt hands. Hurt means injured hands. He can see the hardness in his hand. Here the poet indirectly wants to say about the environment. Those who prepare green wars. Green wars means war against nature. There are the people who started war against nature, against environment. Such people do not care of environment, yeah, nature. Constantly they harm the nature. So poet is telling about such people. Those who prepare green wars, the wars against nature. And poet is telling about other type of wars also. Wars with gas. Wars with gas means chemical war. Wars with fire means using nuclear weapons. Nuclear war. So poet is talking about different type of wars with different type of weapons. But poet is telling victory with no survivors. If you get victory, but it will be meaningless. Why? Because there will be no human being to survive. Yeah, there will be no survivor in the earth. If all people died, then what is the meaning of the war? So poet is telling about that. If you start war against nature, then you cannot live on the earth. Victory with no survivors. Would put on clean clothes. Put on clean clothes means new approach. You should keep a new approach, new angle, and walk about with their brothers. And you should believe in brotherhood, universal brotherhood, and you should walk with your brothers. You should consider the people of other country as your brothers, and you should walk with them. You should keep harmony with them, and you should go in the shade. You should go in the shade of any tree, doing nothing and don't do anything. You just try to understand other people. Stop all other activities. What I want should not be confused. Poet is telling that actually I do not want to confuse you with total inactivity. And I am not talking about total inactivity. Life is what it is about. Poet is telling life is life. I want no truck with death. No truck with death, that is idiomic word. That means association. Refuse to associate. Poet is telling that I do not refuse to associate death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, actually we are all single-minded. Single-minded means thinking about only one thing. And we are thinking about only one thing, that is moving. We are moving and moving and moving. We are thinking about the next step. and for once could do nothing. So we should stop all these things, and we should stop all the activities, and for once, at least one time, could do nothing. We should do nothing. Perhaps a huge silence, and after that, perhaps a huge means very big silence will be created. And that silence might interrupt means break this sadness. It will remove the sadness or unhappiness of your life, of never understanding ourselves, and of threatening ourselves with death. And because of this silence, we can now first time understand ourselves. Before that, we were not able to understand ourselves. But because of that silence, we will be able to understand ourselves. And of threatening ourselves with death. And we can remove the fear of death also. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Earth is the best teacher, and poet is telling that the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead. At that moment when we stop all the activities, that moment will be like death. It is not the real death, but it is like the death. But poet is telling that death, perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead, when everything seems like death, and later proves to be alive. That thing later on proves alive. So poet is talking about a kind of new angle. Now I will count up to 12. Poet is telling that now again I will count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. And you keep quiet. You just be silent. And I will go. And I will leave you. I will go. And here it is the end of the poem. So in short, poet is telling that with my thoughts and ideas, I do not want to confuse you. Poet is telling only one thing, that you stop all your activities of body, mind, just keep quiet, be silent, and start thinking. Start introspection. Think about yourself, think about the world. And after that, this moment seems like death, but it is not the death. And after that, you will feel better. After that, you will get a kind of liveliness. So this is a kind of new type of approach. So I hope you understand the poem. Okay, thank you.